Hey guys, Angel here, and we're in our local taqueria. I know it's not the kitchen, it's not my usual setting, but we're having some burritos, we have some tacos, we have a Coca-Cola, and you're probably thinking, oh, this video is about Mexican fare. Kind of. The other day I decided to tackle the internet's wackiest, trendiest, and hold on for your seats for this new adjective, Instagrammable burritos. And I realized I filmed yesterday's video without doing any intro, so here's that intro. Here's a little tease of an actual burrito. You're not gonna see this ever again in the rest of this video because you're gonna be seeing wacky burritos. So hang on to your seats. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love food and everything wrapped in a tortilla. So let's get it. Let's go, guys. Let's wrap everything we see. And when I say everything, I mean anything in a tortilla.
I always thought the most important rule was why do today what you can put off till tomorrow.
What is today but yesterday's tomorrow?
Now there's a burrito that I saw that looks literally, either you'll see it as a monstrosity or a thing of beauty. Look away, kids, if either A, you're sensitive to a lot of color, or B, you're sensitive to a lot of sugar. Yes, it's exactly what you're seeing right now. A cotton candy burrito. Like, who even thought this was necessary? Why is this necessary? Why, America? Why? Like, I'm generally curious on how this works. I don't even care how it tastes. Like, you could look at this photo. You could tell what it tastes like. It'll taste like sugar overload. It's literally diabetes rolled into one package. So I was like thinking, where the heck am I gonna get cotton candy? I really didn't want to go out of my way to buy a cotton candy maker and make cotton candy. Like, I really don't. And I'll be honest, I do love cotton candy on the occasion, okay? Like when you're on a fair, or if you're in Disneyland, or if the setting is right, cotton candy is right. Cotton candy should not be eaten outside of a fair setting, in my personal opinion. Amazon sells cotton candy. Like, what does that website not sell? So I literally have two types of cotton candy. They look a little bit more, of course, they're not like freshly made, so they're a little dense. So I think that would be perfect for rolling these into a burrito so that the ice cream wouldn't melt. And then, oh my gosh, am I the only one who is terrified of eating so much artificial coloring? I don't want to dye my insides. So I went to the store, like the name of this ice cream, like, I don't know if you could see if the camera's like picking up to it, but the ice cream is literally called Wild and Reckless. Cause this entire monstrosity is literally wild and reckless. And of course we gotta add texture to the burrito because it can't just be ice cream, because we're not, you know, cavemen anymore. So I bought cereal. I have Lucky Charms and Twix. And of course, you gotta add sprinkles. And I have like these rainbow sprinkles from a project I did a while ago. So I'm not, I'll be honest, I'm not excited to make this, nor am I excited to try this, because I'm doing this for science. I'm doing this for you because I know you're probably curious, so let me suffer in the process. So, okay, so let's take out the cotton candy. I think I am going to mix the colors. I don't even know what I'm doing. For science. Okay, so here's the blue. Uh-oh, wait. How am I gonna make this into like a sheet to roll? Okay, I might have to use all of the cotton candy. Okay, so maybe I should just fluff it up like this. Okay, what if I like roll it? Okay, so maybe I should just Does it need moisture? That's what I'm beginning to think. Should I just like go like this? Okay, let's redo this. So I have some parchment. The idea is that I'm gonna use it to help roll my mess. Okay, next. Okay, all right. We're gonna add this stuff. If you don't think this is terrifying, I commend you, because you're probably not afraid of anything in this world. And because I'm a civilized individual that lives in modern society, we gotta add a rainbow unicorn sprinkles. And oh my God, you guys have to see this. Like, look how pretty these sprinkles. God, I don't wanna get my hands like, ugh. Okay. Okay, all right, we made contact. All right, the ice cream has contacted. Don't panic, everything is fine. I understand there's a lot here, but we could work with this, okay? We could work with this. So let's just clean up a little bit. There's some fallout, but that's okay. Oh my God. Oh my, whoa, there was some, okay, hey, that doesn't look bad. Oh my God, look at that. So I was actually praying that this wasn't gonna work out, but it kind of did work. And I'll be honest, everything is sticky right now. Everything. And I can't turn this camera off, so. Let's eat this God-forsaken cotton candy burrito.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Why? Again, why? Why? Why would you even pay for this? Oh my God. There's like no flavor. No flavor. It's literally sugar. Yeah, a little bit of tartness from the wild and reckless ice cream, but that's it, guys. Like, 0. This gets 1 0 rating. I do not recommend this. Yeah, granted, it doesn't look as great as the photos, but you get the idea. Cotton candy ice cream, topping, sprinkles. This trend needs to go. I'm sorry, this trend needs to get out of the face of the planet. Like, but what parent would want their kid to eat this? Like, who's like, okay, Jimmy, it's your birthday. Here, like, no. Look at this mess. Another thing that really caught my eye when I was going on the internet a while ago, especially on Facebook, there was a trending video, I think Insider Food talked about it, and it's the Chinese burrito. I saw this at the night market, the NorCal night market the other day, but Panda Express actually released their very own Panda Express Chinese burrito, and as the name it's in the name itself. It's literally Chinese food in a tortilla wrap, and only selective Panda Expresses offer this. It's really unique. It's really its own thing. You don't really see that everywhere. And here I am. I got me some Panda Express because we all know we gotta try it. It's for science, guys. Gotta study. We gotta know, what does all of this Chinese food taste like wrapped up in a tortilla? I mean, we can't eat it all, we can't eat it normally. We gotta eat it in a burrito because that's what makes it fusion. That's what makes it ethnic, and that's what makes it positively, maybe negatively to some of you, unique. Here it is. Okay, so we got some fried rice, some chow mein, broccoli beef, and some orange chicken. Just the good old classics. So the goal of this recipe is literally get your tortilla, and we're gonna ceremoniously dump, not all, because I think it's gonna make the burrito explode, some of the Chinese food onto the tortilla, roll it up, and consume. All right. Honestly, there's no sign. I feel like I should spread something here. Okay, so I have some chili sauce packets from Panda Express. So I think I'm just gonna use this as like a sauce and just kind of spread it out. Plus I like it spicy, so it just makes sense. All right, so we got that. We're going to add a rice, because you know, every burrito has rice. Some chow mein, oh, carbs on carbs, love it. All right, we're gonna add, and then I thought it would be a fun idea to add an egg roll to it. Now, essentially this is already vegetables wrapped in a wrap, and then I'm gonna put a wrap in a wrap in a wrap. So it's kind of like the turducken. I'm beginning to think I'm adding too much stuff to this burrito. Okay, now let's just roll it like this, go like this. It's all in there. Now we cut it. Oh my gosh. I mean, is it weird that it doesn't look appetizing to me? Like, I get the green adds color, but it's kind of, huh. So let's give this a try. You know what? I know what you're probably guys about to comment down below. You added too much foil. I get it. I'm going more her. It's very carby. Like, there's a lot of carbs happening in this thing. And plus the tortilla wrap. It's not bad. Like, this is not a bad thing. Would you go out of your way to buy Panda Express, put it in a tortilla, and then just eat it all at once? I don't know. Like, for me personally, I like to sit down and eat everything individually as it should be. Like this, I see the appeal. I see why people would be like,
ooh, exotic, gotta try it, Instagram it.
But outside of that realm, it's a pass on my book. It's not a trend that I see it lasting for a very long time. Chinese food is great. American style Chinese food is great. It should just stay in that realm, in my opinion. This is very gluttonous, very decadent because of all the carbs in this burrito. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not like a professional foodie. I'm just someone who likes to eat, and I say, this isn't worth it. I think you should just eat the Chinese food as it is. I don't know. The Korean style burrito makes sense. Filipino style burrito makes sense. The pho burrito still does not make sense. This, yeah.
5 hours later.
Okay, you could tell by the lighting, it's a different time of day. It's still the same day, but I had to do chores, and I went out for dinner, and that's why I'm wearing more of my outside attire. We went out to get SUSHIritos because the theme of the day were burritos. So if you don't know what a SUSHIritto is, it's in its name. It's a sushi burrito, and I know that that might sound weird if you don't know what you're expecting. Basically, you know, have you ever seen a sushi roll? You know, like if you look at a regular sushi roll before it's cut up, essentially it's just one big log with rice, meat, veg, rolled up instead of tortilla. We got some nori, aka seaweed, and then of course it's all, sorry, my dog just choked on water. What? You good? She's good. Okay, back to what I was saying. Sushi's just technically like a portable stick if you don't cut it up, and evidently sushi burritos are just a bigger version, and might I say, it works. And the only reason I feel like this fusion type of style worked compared to most of the things I tried today and the examples that I presented is because it's essentially just sushi, but just in a bigger form, okay? So like, even if I didn't eat it like an actual wrap, if you were to cut it up, you could just see it as a gigantic roll, sushi roll. That's really what it is. It's not like it's an actual, think Mexican burrito with raw fish in it. Like that would be disgusting, right? It's not its own, it's literally its own thing, just adding the word burrito to it because it's a little bit more westernized, it's a little bit more familiar to those who are not familiar with a bigger log of sushi. For me personally, it was delicious. It literally just tasted, every bite just tasted like a sushi roll. Now it is somewhat gluttonous because, you know, when you go out for sushi, it's a little bit more dainty, it's a little bit more of that dainty type of affair. You're using chopsticks, it's just little bites of food. Here it's like a big thing of food, as you could see in, but it was really good. So, okay, what did I learn? I learned that not everything can be rolled into the shape of a burrito. I think it's clever. It's a process, it's a good idea to think, okay, can we make it portable? But for us to be crazy, trendy about it, for us to go crazy about it on social media, wanting to take photos left and right for it, it's whatever. I think the only thing that really is worth mentioning is the SUSHIritto, but again, like I said, it's really its own thing. I don't see it as a fusion food. It's really just a bigger version of a sushi roll. That's all it is. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love things wrapped in tortillas, like me, or well, just me. Stay tuned, because next week, video, we're gonna be tasting the rainbow. Am I legally allowed to say that? Bye, guys.